DecoNetwork makes it easy for you to be able to add an internal note to a quote or an order. Simply go find the quote or order you want to add the note into, click Internal Note, and this is where we can add a note. So why would we do this? Well, we may want to let the production staff know, hey, this customer has a very strict deadline, or we really need to do it this way. They're adamant. Maybe it's a note such as, please fold each shirt individually. And now we have that saved, and maybe this customer is so special and we just like working with them. They always want us to do that. So maybe we always add this note, please fold each shirt individually. And if you really want to take it a step further, once you add an internal note to the customer's profile, that will show up in their account profile, where we can then make it, if we want, an important note. And if we make it flag it as important note, it will then always show up when we create a new quote or an order. Hey, this customer, we would like to fold each shirt individually, and they're very serious when it comes to color accuracy. So you can add internal notes to a quote or an order, which then do get passed to the production team, but we can also flag them as important for the customer profile once we've added them to the customer profile. If you have any questions on how to add an internal note to a quote or an order, or anything else related to Business Hub, simply come up to the question mark, raise a support ticket with client services, or view our other help resources here. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.